everyone, welcome back. Today we have another exciting puppet show for you. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's see what today's puppet show will be about. Today's book is titled Down in the Woods at Sleepy Time. Let's get started. Deep down in the woods, Mama Bear says to Baby Bear, Baby Bear, it is sleepy time. No, says Baby Bear, I still want to play. And he played and played in the scruffy bushes. Deep down in the woods, Mama Rabbit said to Baby Rabbit, Baby Rabbit, it's sleepy time. No, squeaked Baby Rabbit, I'm so hungry. And Baby Rabbit continued to munch on some delicious green lettuce. Deep down in the woods, Mama Frog said to Baby Frog, Baby Frog, it's sleepy time. No, said Baby Frog, I'm still busy singing. La 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 la. As soon as it became more quiet, more dark, Mama Bear and Baby Bear started to fall asleep in their cozy cave. Next, Mama Rabbit and Baby Rabbit started to fall asleep in their green bush. And lastly, Mama Frog and Baby Frog fell asleep in the river on their big green leaves.